Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of help you leverage GitHub so that you can work together with your teammates. So if we open GitHub, I'm just gonna open this up here. So just go to github.com. So if you go to your user and then you create a project. So let me just create a new project here, and so you can just call it app project or whatever you want to call it. A demo for mobile computing. Okay. You can create your project private if you have a student account. So if you don't have a student account yet, you should go to student, education github.com, and then apply there so that you can get the student discount, the student account, which is actually free. For you to get this, you just need to show proof that you are at the university. So just add the student.ol.fi email to your account if you have created your account with some other email, so you can actually have secondary emails, and then upload. They will ask for proof of your student status, so you just upload the transcript from WebUDI, and then you can get that, and then basically that unlocks your private repositories. So that means that your code from your app is only shared between you and your teammates. So just do that, and then create a repository, and then once that is done, you can leverage the projects tab so that you can help. It's easier for you to coordinate your tasks and what you need to do between you and your teammates. So you can see here, so if you create a project here, so let's just call this progress tracker, for example, and in here choose the basic Kaban. So if you choose basic Kaban, what this is going to do is it's actually going to create a view that has three columns. So 1, 2, 3. So these are things to do, things that are currently in progress, and things that are done. You can add others if you want to, but in general, these are the three that you will need for your project. Let me just delete these temporary ones. So I will show you how you can leverage these things here. Okay. So when you create a to-do, for example, let's say that I wanted to create login page, or just call it login page. Okay. Alright, so this is going to be everything that needs to be done for the login view. Okay, so we'll just add that. And so now this is here as a to-do thing. If you want to assign this to someone, you'll need to edit note, and so you can say, for example, if I'm gonna say this, it will be Kennedy who will do this. So I can just put that like that, and let's put here a list of things for him to do. So if I create a list of things to do, so I can just put here sketch UI, fidelity, so these are just examples. So if I would save this, basically what this is going to do is it's going to create a list of things. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so we need to give a space in there. And so, I don't know, there's some bug in here. Okay. Okay, so if we have, I think there's some bug in here. Okay, so there needs to be, sorry. Okay, so if we add here space, this should work now. I don't know why the first one is not doing it. This definitely works. For the other two, I think this is some bug here. This is really strange. I'm just wondering if this is some problem with my browser or something here, because this is supposed to be a checklist of things to do. I don't know why it's doing that, and I think it's some bug here because it's supposed to show these checkboxes all over there. But anyway, so you can use these notes to keep track of things that you need to do and assign them to someone. And then basically, if Azar starts doing this, he can actually move this to in progress so that it will automatically update everyone. And you can add here as many to-do things to do, and then as you complete, you move them to here, and then basically you can see how the app is going. You can actually see that also here. So if you want to see an overview of the things that have been happening, you will see it here too. But this actually gives you a good way for you to coordinate between your teammates, and you can actually see how much has been done, what is missing, and who has been working, even though you're not meeting face to face. Okay. So once this is done, you can also leverage this to, if you identify, once you go to testing, you can create issues. If you detected the bug that needs to be solved, and you just want to keep track of those, and then you can keep this way everyone informed that you have detected the problem with the app. So that's an overview of how you can leverage GitHub to coordinate between you and your teammates. Please avoid spending time at the university right now. It's not safe, and we want to make sure that everyone is able to still do the project, even though they have to adjust to a remote way of doing things. This experience should give you some also very good skills once if you decide to go to industry once you graduate, because most teams actually use GitHub or GitLab, which also works very similar to this, to coordinate between themselves, especially in software development. So if you have any questions, please send us an email or use Moodle to send us a message. So keep at it. We're almost there. We just need to do the app now, and do as much as you can. I know this is difficult and it's going to be a bit different from what you're used to, but we all have to adjust to the current situation. Alright, take care guys. I'll see you.